Hi, this is Irina Shea, and this is part of our Wealth and Wisdom video series. Today, we're going to talk about a relatively new New Jersey law which allows for payable on death forms for cars. So, I am going to share my screen and walk you through one of these forms. If you want to follow along, just Google New Jersey car payable on death form, and it'll bring you right to this page on the Motor Vehicle Commission website. So, when I say relatively new, May of 2023, these forms became available because what was happening was a loved one dies and everything is handled except the car title is still in their name. And you used to have to go probate the will, and then the executor would have to go to the Motor Vehicle Commission branch that handles these things and wrangle with title transfer over a car that very often had a very low Blue Book value, but it created enormous amounts of paperwork. So this is a much, much better solution. So when can you use these? You use them when you own your car. It's not for leases, but if you or your loved one owns a car, you can now put a payable on death beneficiary. So how do you do that? If it's your mom or dad, right, and they still have their car, it's their name, their driver's license number, and the beneficiary should be an adult child, or maybe it's a grandchild who's a new driver who's going to use the old car as their starter car. That's okay too. I would name one person. If there's no clear beneficiary who might need that car, just put the name of your executor here so they can just quickly sell it for Blue Book somewhere or deal with the dealer or whatever they have to do. And then they can split the proceeds among the children, but at least someone's running point on the car portion. And it makes sense to have the executor do it. So you put their name and their driver's license number here. And then you do have to fill in the VIN and the title number. So you got to look for that purple certificate that has the title number. If you can't find it, there's some way on the motor vehicle website to get a duplicate title. You could poke around their website. But once you have that, you just sign this in front of a notary and you're all set. You keep it on file. If years later you have a new car, do the same form for the new car. This makes a world of difference in estate administration, and we highly recommend it to all of our New Jersey clients. Thanks.